Miles away of the city limits, under the pine trees where the honky tonk is. The band is playing country music, country rock, where the people dance Texas two steps, three-step East Coast and West Coast swing. The place where I learned to dance. Oh yeah. Quick, quick, slow, slow. I just asked a handsome guy if he can teach me the two-step. Yes, my dear, of course he did it. Yes, of course. And he shows me intensely how to dance. So let's go. A great singer, wow, what a talent. Yeah, that's honky-tonk life where the people are open-minded. Yeah, that's honky-tonk life where the people love to dance. In my last round dance lesson that evening,